There's a special spot on the New South Wales South Coast where time seems frozen in an endless loop of sunny days and white sand beaches. You'll find Oyster Catcher Huskisson, surrounded by original cottages just 300 meters from the pristine sands of Jervis Bay. After years of neglect, this beach shack was bought and sensitively reimagined by owners Abby, Sadie, and Phil in 2022. Days start slowly at Oyster Catcher Huskisson, the way you wish every day could. From the moment you walk into the house, you get the sense that something inside you is finally unwinding in a way that just never seems possible back home. The light, airy beach house makes you want to kick off your shoes and settle in instantly, while the decor, artworks, and thoughtful details set an instant tone of understated luxury, curated but comfy. Those in the know will spot the signs that this space has been architecturally designed. Double-height ceilings in the entry pull warm air up and out the Louvre windows, creating the perfect environment below. Hardwood windows, doors, flooring, decking, and stairs provide the ideal canvas for thoughtful interior design. This architecturally designed beach house features reverse brick veneer external walls, which create a thermal mass and lowers the average energy demands for heating and cooling. Clerestory windows in the entry form a huge visual impact, allow light to flood the space, and act as a thermal chimney to ensure the house is always at a consistent, comfortable temperature. This sustainable design blueprint is complemented by how the house is equipped and operated. For starters, hot water is heated by the sun, and rainwater is captured for use in the gardens. Solar panels capture the sun's energy to power the house.